Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block pop-up ads on your Samsung Galaxy A36. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A36 and now you want to block ads on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings, open it. From here, just scroll down and look for Google settings. Here's that, just tap on it. And here, just select all services. And here just scroll down and you will get the privacy and security section. Then go for ads, open it, and here you will get delete advertising ID. Just tap on it, then tap on it again to delete your advertising ID. And here you can see I have already deleted. Just go back and here select usage and diagnostics, tap on it. Then you must have to disable the setting. Just tap on it and disable. In this way, you can easily block ads on your device. But the second way, you just have to try. Just go back and go for main settings. In main settings, just look for privacy and security. Here's that. Just tap on it. Then here you'll get more privacy settings. And then you'll get the both same option which you have just disabled. Just open ads and delete your advertising ID which you have just deleted. Now go back and hit the user chat diagnostics. Just tap on the settings to disable it just like this. In this way you can easily block pop-up ads from your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.